Hello and welcome back to Ops the Jewels, where I'm your host, as well as your narrator, Crayola Coaster. And today we'll be reading from I See You, a Little Mirror Book featuring Jim Henson's Sesame Street Muppets, illustrated by Carol Nicklaus. So as always, if you have a copy, please grab your copy and let's read together. Little lamb, I see you. Baby calf, I see you. Bitsy kittens, I see you. I see little ducklings too. Baby Bert, I see you. Baby Bert sees baby too. The end. And that was I See You, a Little Mirror Book featuring Jim Henson's Sesame Street Muppets, illustrated by Carol Nicklaus. So as always, thank you all for tuning in 1,000,000 times over. And until next time, always and forever, keep reading. Thank you. Bye.